Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios. This forces hardware refresh. Next, restart the iPhone because a reboot clears transient software hangs that break Wi-Fi stacks. If still failing, forget the network and rejoin with the password. That removes bad saved settings like old IP leases or DNS entries. Once done, try the network again to see if the connection establishes and the signal icon stabilizes. Now you handle deeper configuration causes. Reset network settings to clear VPNs, APN, saved networks, and Bluetooth pairings because corrupted entries often block authentication. While doing that, reboot the router and check firmware and band settings. 5 GHz can be spotty at range, so test 2. 4 GHz to isolate radio issues. Also update iOS because Apple patches Wi-Fi drivers. Make sure VPN or configuration profiles aren't forcing DNS or routing. After changes, reconnect and observe DHCP assignment and speed. Finish by isolating and, if necessary, restoring. Test the iPhone on a different Wi-Fi or a phone hotspot to determine whether the issue is the device or the router. That tells you the path forward. If device faults persist, back up then restore the iPhone to factory settings because this removes deep software corruption. Make sure to restore settings incrementally. If problems continue after a restore, seek Apple hardware diagnostics. Many Wi-Fi failures are radio hardware that only professional service can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.